Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel. We just got a package today from eBay. I'll put the link down in the description section, but first let's open up the package and see what it is. And it's going to be an accessory for the Hummer H2. So let's go ahead, see what we got in this box. There. Oops. Make sure carefully we get that. Pretty sharp knife. So, oops, here we go. I'm already dropping stuff. I am dropping stuff. Got some mounting hardware right there, and you might have guessed, I got mud flaps from eBay. Left front, they seem like pretty good quality. 4 of them, and these are the mud flaps that will go in the back. So somewhere here, I'm not exactly sure how, but I'll figure out some way to mount them on there, and I'll be right back. So this is what we get. You get the box, you get 4 of the mud flaps, and then you also get the mounting hardware. Take this out, take a look. There's slippery here, and these are going to be for the rear, I would imagine. Front, right, rear. Here you have front, and this last one is left hand rear. So there you have it guys. I will try to figure out how to mount these on the Hummer, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Be back. Hello guys, it's been a couple of days since the first video I did of the unboxing of the mud flaps, and right now I have the mud flaps mounted on the Hummer H2, and I think they look really phenomenal. Let's go around so I can show you guys exactly what they look like. Here you have the front one. Sorry about the dirt in the wheel well. I had this cleaned up a couple of days ago, then we had snow and the snow melted, so my pressure washer has been put away. So you can see the front. Here is the rear. It gives a little bit more coverage, as you guys can see, so hopefully that will prevent some more of the dirt from hitting the side of the body, because these tires are just so wide that they go beyond the fender flare. So that's what it looks like. This one, I think I don't have it mounted really nice. You guys can see it's a bit skewered. It doesn't look very level like the one on the right, but that's what it looks like mounted. And of course you have the other one here in the front. So I looked on the internet to see if anybody had like instructions on how to mount these fender flares, and I did not find any mounting instructions. But when I got to mounting the fender flares on the vehicle, all what I did was I actually, for the first, this top 2, I used the same mounting hardware that was used, that was on there before. So you just pop it out, and then you put the fender flare, and then you remount, you know, those mounting devices, whatever they call them. I'm not sure. I had the option also of using screws that came with the flaps, with the mud flaps, but I just prefer to use the same mounting hardware because it just I just think it's solid enough. And down there is a screw, and that screw comes with a clip. Let's see if we can see the clip from behind here. It's kind of hard, but there's a metal clip right there. I might have to relocate that. I think I didn't push that far enough upward. So that little clip is what holds this part of the fender of the mud flap in place. So that's a job I have to revisit. All in all, I'm happy with the outcome, with the way everything looks. I might have to just get that one, you know, in the right position here in a few minutes. I think I could do a better job. So yeah, there you go. This is what the mud flaps look like. For the front, I just had to turn the tire, turn it in one direction or the other, and that gives you enough clearance to go ahead and use the mounting hardware, that's the screws that come with the mud flaps, to directly mount the front ones on the plastic right there. I didn't put any metal in the backing, so try to go very carefully and don't overdo it. That way you get some very good grip on the mud flap. So I'm also very pleased with the way it fits flush. As you guys can see, it fits really nicely. So you can tell that this was purpose designed for the Hummer H2. Everything fits really flush, and I'm pleased with that. Let's see if you guys can see something here. So, well, thanks for watching. That's what I had to share with you guys today. The mud flaps that I installed on the Hummer H2, and I will put a link to the particular mud flaps I used down in the description. Bye for now, and catch you guys on the next one.